Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel Wings Behind Cam. In today's video, I'll show you how to do facial at home and I'll also give you alternatives of the products. So please stay connected and watch till end. In the first step, you have to clean your skin. I have made my own cleanser by mixing 2 teaspoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of gulab gel. Instead of this, you can use your own face wash. Using a cotton pad, apply the mixture all over your face and press it gently and remove all the dirt. Keep doing it until you feel your skin is clear. You can actually see all the dirt on the cotton pad. Now, in the next step, you have to spray some water on your face to rehydrate your face so that it will be easier for you to start the scrubbing. Now I am using this scrub from Biotech, which is made of papaya. This is for all skin type. I have been using it since 2 years, so it is very nice. I highly recommend you to use this. I am taking a little bit of scrubber. Just apply it like this. Keep applying. Now use both the hand and just mix it all over your face. Again apply some water because it might have been dried already, so it will help you to again massage your face and remove all the dirt which is already clogged in the pore. So basically you can massage it on your nose because most of the blackheads and whiteheads are there in the nose and on your chin, so just massage it all over and don't forget your neck. Neck is very important, so do there also. Keep doing it until you feel that is done. Take a cotton cloth, put the cloth into hot water and then put it on your face. It instantly opens your pores and helps remove all the dirt which is clogged inside your pores, and it will help to remove all the particles on your face and gives you very soothing effect. You can actually do it twice a week. It is very relaxing, and with the help of the same cloth you can remove all the scrub from your face. Now pat dry with a dry towel. Using a blackhead scraper, remove all the blackheads at this stage. Don't force to remove all the blackheads, just gently remove whatever is coming out. In the next step, you have to massage your skin. I have made my own massage cream. I have taken 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, half tablespoon of honey and 2-3 pinches of turmeric powder. Aloe vera helps fight skin aging, reduces inflammation and acne, lightens blemishes on the face. Honey, on the other hand, adds natural glow, helps reduces wrinkles, moisturizes the skin deeply. And turmeric, as you all know, is very beneficial. It helps with reducing acne scarring and also reduces acne if you have. And the anti-inflammatory qualities can target your pores, calm down and skin to be brightened. This technique of massaging under eye helps to reduce the puffiness under the eye. I have been doing this exercise with my nose since so long. I don't know, but then it affects my nose also because I feel that it makes my nose more pointed and sharp. This is my favorite. This helps you to reduce all the stress and headache. Doing this, you can remove all the fat, excess fat, and your cheekbone will be more prominent. Pressing down the eyeball can stimulate the vagus nerve, which slows down your heart rate and relieves stress. Dabbing the skin all over your face helps to increase the blood flow throughout the skin, which helps the skin look more younger and fresh. Again, don't forget your neck here. Always massage your face in upward direction. It tones and uplifts your face. Again, using some water spray, you can remove all the massage cream from your face, or you can just go and wash your face. It's up to you. Using another dry towel, just pat dry your skin. You can see the result. In the second step only, the skin is looking so bright and fresh. Now it's time for face pack. Here I have made my own face pack of Multani Mitti and Gulab Jal. As you all know, Multani Mitti was used by our Dadi, Nani, so it is very much beneficial for our skin. It deep cleanses your skin and remove all the dirt, sweat, impurities from your skin. It treats your pigmentation, tanning, and remove all excess oil from your skin. And Gulab Jal, as you all know, it helps to treat puffiness around your skin, soothes skin disorder, balances the pH level, hydrates your skin, and moreover, it is a very nice toner for your skin. Here I am using brush to apply the face pack. You can use your hand also. You have to apply all the face pack all over your skin, that too evenly, and don't forget your neck again. Please don't judge me. I am looking like a zombie. Maaf karna mujhe. But this is very beneficial for your skin, so you should try. But don't come near your boyfriend or husband or any of your family member. So now it is done. Don't talk until it is dry. And you can take a sleep. It is done already. Now wash your face. Yay! So now it is time for some toner. So this is also from Biotech, made of cucumber. This is for normal to oily skin. I have this skin type, which is normal and oily combination. So I've been using it for past 3 months. I am obsessed with Biotech, as you all know. So because it is very cheap and effective. Moisturize your skin with any of the moisturizer you have. I am using this Nivea moisturizer. Just take some amount of moisturizer and massage it all over your face. Avoid applying anything on your face for at least 1 day. It at least takes 10 to 12 hours to show the actual result of the product you have used. I would recommend you to do the facial during night. You can see the result.